Hey, you know how you're out and about looking for your brand new home and you see this giant billboard, new construction starting in the 400,000s in Orlando, and you get so excited. Yay, I found my brand new home for 400,000. Buyers, you should know that this price doesn't consider three big items that are very important to you. Number one is the floor plan. Builders advertise this price for their smallest home with no updates. And so if you want a 4-bedroom instead of a 3-bedroom, now you're at a higher price range. Number two is the upgrades. In general, buyers spend about 10% of the purchase price on structural upgrades and designs. So if you want a different type of floor, countertops, cabinets, you have to pay extra. Number three is the lot premium, which is not included in the price. And if you like the water view, conservation, or a corner lot, you're going to pay more. So buyers, beware of those misleading signs and contact us for a consultation at no cost. Find out where the best new construction deals in Orlando are and save thousands in closing costs and upgrades. Don't thank me, just call us.